Adding external ZGP sensor. Philips MasterConnect tutorial video. To control a group or a zone with one sensor, external ZGP sensors can be commissioned to a group or to a zone consisting of lights with wireless drivers or lights with SNS410. Click on the plus on the group screen and select Sensors. From the drop-down list of available sensors, select the type of sensor you like to add. Next, indicate whether you would like to add the sensor to a zone or to the whole group. Follow the instructions for setting up the sensor. When the sensor is added, you can choose to finish the process or assign lights to a daylight area. If you choose to assign lights to a daylight area, click on Add Daylight Area. Give a name to the daylight area. Select the lights to which the daylight area will be applicable. Wait while the daylight area is being created. After the daylight area has been successfully created, you can finish the process or calibrate it and turn it on. To calibrate and turn on the daylight area, click on Calibrate and Turn On. Please wait while the device auto-calibrates. After the daylight area has been calibrated, you can finish the process. You have successfully added an external ZGP sensor.
Philips